Hello, I am Thamizharasu, your business coach. Today we are talking about a key factor that often determines the success of a company. Yes, you guessed it right. It's a cost reduction. No matter the size of the company or industry, every business wants to maximize profit and minimize costs. However, it is not as simple as it sounds. It requires effective strategies and careful execution. In this video, we will discuss 10 critical areas where you can potentially reduce costs without compromising quality of your service or product. So let's dive in.
1. Understanding the importance of cost reduction strategies in business. Now, the first step to reducing costs is understanding its importance. Businesses that operate efficiently have a competitive advantage because they can provide products or services at a lower cost. This enables them to outperform their competitors, attract more customers, and ultimately, increase their market share. 2. Identifying the key areas for cost reduction in your business. Next, it's crucial to identify potential areas for cost reduction. Look at your company's financial statements and identify areas where costs have increased over time. These might include procurement, operations, HR, marketing, and more. Remember, the goal is not to compromise quality but to eliminate wastes. 3. Implementing efficient procurement practices. Procurement is often a significant area of cost. By implementing efficient procurement practices, such as bulk buying or establishing long-term contracts with suppliers, you can save a considerable amount. 4. Maximizing technology to lower operational expenses. Technology can be a great ally in reducing costs. Embracing digital transformation can streamline processes, reduce manual errors, improve customer service, and ultimately lower operational expenses. 5. The role of outsourcing in reducing business costs. Outsourcing non-core tasks is another effective cost reduction strategy. It allows you to focus on your core business activities while experts handle other tasks more efficiently and at a lower cost. 6. Reducing energy consumption. Adopting eco-friendly practices such as reducing energy consumption can result in significant cost savings in the long run, and it also boosts your company's image as a responsible corporate citizen. 7. Streamlining business processes. Streamlining your business processes can eliminate inefficiencies and redundancies, leading to lower costs and improved productivity. 8. Active inventory management. Active inventory management can help you avoid excess stock and storage costs. It also ensures that you have the right products available when your customers need them. 9. Staff training and development. Lastly, investing in staff training and development may seem like a cost initially, but it leads to long-term cost reduction by improving efficiency and productivity. 10. Evaluating the effectiveness of implemented cost reduction strategies. And of course, it's crucial to regularly evaluate the effectiveness of your cost reduction strategies. This allows you to make necessary adjustments and continue to optimize your savings. So, these were the 10 strategies that can help reduce costs in your business. Implement them and see the difference they make. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful business tips.